1, 0.
0, 1, negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1. Put a 2 underneath everything.
Put a 2 underneath everything. Get it done. All you gotta do is write down the 2. What's the matter with you?
See the 0 on the right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Square root everything but the 1s. This is quadrant 1. That's going to be positive, positive. See the 0 on the right? 0 on the right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Square root everything but the 1s. This is quadrant 2. That's negative, positive. So in front of the x value, you want to put a negative sign. 0 on the right in quadrant 3 of the unit circle. 0 on the right. 0, 1, 2, 3. Square 1, 2, 3 going the other way. Square root everything but the 1s. In quadrant 3, it's going to be negative, negative. So you have to put a negative in front of both the x and the y value. 0 on the right, 0 on the right, 0 on the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Square root everything but the 1s. This is quadrant IV, or quadrant 4. And that's going to be positive, negative. So that's going to be a negative in front of the y value for each of these values on the unit circle. I'm going to deal with the degrees now. Notice I shaded these. We're going to skip the shaded region. 0 degrees, add 30. Skip the shaded region, add 30, 60. Add 30, that's 90. Add 30, that's 120. Skip the shaded region. Add 30, that's 150. Add 30, that's 180. Add 30, that's 210. Skip the shaded region, add 30, that's 240. Add 30, that's 270. Add 30, that's 300. Skip the shaded region, add 30, that's 330. Add 30, you should know that there's 360 degrees in a circle. This here is half of 90. Half of 90 is 45 degrees. Then over here, you add 45 to 90, that's going to be 135. Here you add 45 to 180. 45 to 180 would be 225. Add 45 to 270, and that would be 315. 0 radians, 1 pi over 6 radians, 2 pi over 6 radians. Notice I skipped the shaded region again. 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6. Skip the shaded region, 5 pi over 6. 6 pi over 6 will simplify to just pi. 7 pi over 6. Skip the shaded region, 8 pi over 6. 9 pi over 6. 10 pi over 6. Skip the shaded region, 11 pi over 6. 12 pi over 6 will simplify to just 2 pi. Somebody told me once use 135 for the remaining answers, 1357. So I'm going to go 1 pi over 4. That there 4 from the 45 reminds me that that's pi over 4. 1 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4.